Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this beauty right over here. I've got the Gareth Bull Shamwari 3.3 inches custom knife with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like this video. Maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already. And let's check this guy out. Overall length of this bad boy is gonna be a 7.75 inches, 7.6 I would say, 3.3 inch long blade, 4.25, 4.3 inch long handle. This is probably the ideal carry size right now for me. It's like summer, and it's something that I love. Like, this kind of size is just fantastic for me. Like something like, I don't know, very cool blade to handle ratio. It's very minimal. It's really simple. It's a titanium frame lock, 2 slabs of titanium, 1 pocket clip, 1 blade, front flipper, gorgeous action. It's inconspicuous. Nobody's gonna get scared of this. It's super cool, very elegant lines. I mean, guys, this is a winner for me. It's a fantastic one. It's a custom knife from South Africa. It's not cheap. Table price on this guy is a little bit less than $1,000, but good luck finding one on for that price on the secondary. And because it's pretty impossible to get one of his blade made. He's super busy. Books are closed. But anyways, this is a fantastic frame lock, cool, almost, you know, deep carry pocket clip. This much is going to be sticking out. It's inobtrusive. It's very minimalistic. It's a nice front flipper, hand rubbed satin blade, beautiful crowning on the spine, nice jimping, fantastic swedge. Belly, like straight edge, nice sharpening choil, pretty thin behind the edge. Action is just ridiculous. I just mounted skiff bearings on this guy. You can also check my maintenance video to see how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward, very simple construction. And I mean, sound. Look at this. Super inconspicuous sound. I mean, when you close the knife, it's like a microscopic tink. Fantastic, not resounding, not loud, super discreet. When you open it, it's the same. It's not loud, not resounding. It's just gorgeous. Very cool area here, milled out to easily access the lock bar. This is what I'm talking about, and this is a little bit reminiscent of that. Here you have even more area to disengage the lock bar, but it's just a fantastic design. I love the blade shape. I love pretty much everything that it's to love in this knife. So there you have it. If you want more, please check out my full-length review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.